Good evening. Apple had a fourth quarter earnings call recently, and Tim Cook made big revelations as far as the Indian market is concerned. Let's look at Apple's results. Apple has done $365 billion in sales. Average sales of Apple is $1 billion per day, which means that Apple is continuing to grow at a breathtaking pace. Tim Cook feels that services will continue to grow at a faster pace and services will be a major source of revenue for Apple. For Apple, AirPods seems to be a big product. You will find that Apple, only by selling AirPods, is one of the largest companies in the world. That is the success of AirPods as a brand. But looking more closely into trends, we would be interested. We have seen that the revenue for Apple in India has practically doubled. From the sales in India over 1 year has reached $3.3 billion. This is between September of last year to October of this year. This means India's market share in Apple's total market share is 1%. That is, 1% of all Apple sales worldwide is coming from India, and that is a very small number. But it is still growing. And according to Tim Cook, Apple and Vietnam are the fastest growing markets for Apple. Apple's sales in India has grown after it has started manufacturing in India, except 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max, 13 and the higher end models of 13. Most of the Apple phones are manufactured in India. But the really fast growing demand in India is for the latest models. India has very high import duties to shore up its tax revenues and to prevent imported goods being sold in India, forcing the majors to manufacture these phones in India. However, that has met with limited success in as far as Apple is concerned. Most of high-end phone models of Apple, which are very lucrative, are basically got from Dubai or from the United States. Anybody who comes in from Dubai or United States is bringing a phone or two. So look at the number of flights that come from Dubai and you can make a quick calculation of how much phones are being smuggled. The price difference is huge. It goes to more than 10 to 15%. And in some models are cheaper in Dubai and some in US. This makes buying these products in Dubai or in America cheaper. Recently, a friend of mine wanted to buy a low end iPad for his son. This product was simply not available in Indian stores. A friend of his came from Dubai and bought the product, and the difference was nearly 15%. If this is going to be the difference in price, then you can expect most of the high end models in Apple will be smuggled from abroad because you cannot have such a big difference in price for a product that can be easily brought by any passenger, and it will be very difficult for customs to detect such frauds. Also, we have to note that Apple has only 1% market share in India. That is, the total number of iPhones sold in India compared to the whole size of the market is 1% or less. So, worldwide, Apple has 20% market share. Of the Apple's total revenues in emerging markets, excluding China and Japan, the total is around 12%. That is, 12% of total Apple sales comes from emerging markets and Asia other than that of China and Japan. China and Japan are large markets for Apple. What all this indicates is that Apple has a huge virgin market in India. By taking innovative marketing and pricing strategies, Apple can rapidly grow in India. In the coming years, it is very clear that Apple will take the high end market in India and in places like Vietnam at the expense of Samsung and other markets. Apple is still not interested in making a phone for the masses. A phone for the masses will give them a larger market share but will make them sacrifice their profits. This has not been Apple's strategy. Apple worldwide has only 20 to 25% of the total smartphone market and has 80% of the profits. So Apple's strategy worldwide has been to concentrate on profits and rather than look at volumes. The iTunes store is a place where Apple is making a lot of profit because anybody who wants to supply to an iPhone user has to place his product in the iStore, and Apple takes a commission every time an invoice is raised to the customer. Product managers and app developers find it extremely difficult to bypass Apple because of the product design, and ease of use software means that the most of the high-end customers are Apple customers, and these are the people who pay the bills. So these app stores are in a catch-22 situation where they need Apple and do not need Apple. If you ignore Apple, then you are ignoring a major portion of the market which is very affluent and which can avail your services and pay for it. Though the Android market is large and huge, most of the Android users come from middle class or bottom of the pyramid. These people are looking at free apps and will not pay money. So Apple's strategy in India of sticking to high-end markets seems to have paid off. Thank you for watching. Be rich. It's a great privilege and honor that so many of you in thousands have subscribed to my channel and have supported me. I have written 2 books in English, The Alchemy of Money and Ordinary Stocks, Extraordinary Profits. These books are published by us and are ready. If you want to procure a copy, send us a message to the WhatsApp number given below and my team would respond to you. If you want an Amazon Kindle copy, you can click the link below. Finally, those who wish to consult with me can send a mail to berichenglish@gmail.com. Once again, I thank you for your support. If you like this video, press the subscribe button of my channel, hit the like button and turn on the bell notification. नमस्कार, मेरा नाम आनंद श्रीनिवासन है और मैं एक पर्सनल फाइनेंस कंसल्टेंट हूँ। मैं 2 YouTube चैनल चलाता हूँ पर्सनल फाइनेंस के बारे में। एक मनी पेज तमिल में है। मेरे बहुत से दोस्त बोले कि मैं हिंदी में एक चैनल शुरू करूं, तो मैंने एक पैसा बोलता है नाम का एक हिंदी चैनल शुरू किया है। मैं पर्सनल निवेश के बारे में ही बात करूंगा। आप उसको सब्सक्राइब करें, अपने दोस्तों को शेयर करें। अगर आप हिंदी नहीं जानते हैं तो पैसा करें, जो आपके दोस्त हिंदी जानते हैं उनको सब्सक्राइब करने के लिए आग्रह करें। धन्यवाद, नमस्कार।